The July month has exposed very interesting price targets for Bitcoin. So if you want to more about that, you are definitely at the right address. So I would suggest you to watch this video from the beginning till the end so that you don't miss out on any interesting information. So I would say let's start with the content. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave a comment. I would truly appreciate it. So right now we are in a daily time frame. In this daily time frame, you can see we have our pre-vol range indicator. This pre-vol range indicator is a leading indicator, and the leading indicator means that we get our information in forehand. So that means the July month has exposed and also our price targets. You can see that our pre-vol range is right now at 23,000. The previous pre-vol was at 32,000, and as you can see, we are in a descending pre-vol. That means we are in a downtrend, right? So when we go back and in a bigger picture, you can see here clearly we have a downtrend in small ascending pre-vol, and then we newly started this downtrend again. So right now we are in a downtrend, and this is very clear. So therefore, when we watch at this current stage where we are actually with the price, you can see that our pre-vol is at 23,000, right? Our monthly S1 line is at 14,000. That means if we see further retracement, the 14,000 price area is on the line. So that's a very bearish scenario, but to overcome this obstacle, we have to overcome this pre-vol range indicator, and that means we have to close above this pre-vol range, and then we also have to stay above this pre-vol range, so that the upcoming months is an ascending pre-vol. So therefore, if we close this month above this pre-vol, that means that the next pre-vol will around this area, and you can see then that we are in a reversal, right? So therefore, for our pre-vol range indicator to become an ascending pre-vol, we need to clearly close above $23,170, right? So if we go to another chart, we have our weekly time frame. In this weekly time frame, we can follow this falling wedge scenario in a bigger picture. You can see the upper line area is a very strong line of resistance that always rejects the price, and we see further downtrend. But the lower line area is the vice versa. You can see we have our support, and after this support we always see an impulsive move. And also right now here we saw with a wick that we got support over here in the lower line area where we are with the price. Might the next Wyckoff market cycle, the accumulation phase, start over here. So the accumulation phase is the beginning of a new markup phase. Whenever we see this accumulation phase end, the new markup phase will begin. That means we are newly in a downtrend, in an uptrend. Right now we are in a downtrend, and this downtrend is heading towards our accumulation phase. In this accumulation phase, the Bitcoin whales are trying to buy and accumulate your Bitcoins to a cheap price. So therefore, are you the panic seller or the panic buyer? Right now we are in a bear market, and this is a position where we can get the chance to buy Bitcoin on discount, and this is a chance for you guys. So therefore, I would say let's also have a quick look at this hourly time frame. In this hourly time frame, we can see this pattern. We have our rounding top and also this peak, and together we have the Adam and Eve pattern. So therefore, this Adam and Eve pattern played out very well. We see this fake out up here, and if we see this in an hourly time frame, this means that we see like a fake out scenario. But if we switch this chart in a 4-hourly time frame, you can see that we have the similar pattern, right? Played out very well, and this fake out is exactly at the area where we are where we have expected this retest around this neckline support line from this adamant Eve pattern. You can see it over here, and this is exactly the same point. Here we have our retest, and also at this point we saw the retest and then got rejected with the price. Right now we are in a consolidation, in a range bound type of scenario, and exactly as this rounding top pattern showed in this example, we see the consolidation. But what's the price target right now? To the downward, our price target is around 18,200 and approximately around 18,900 to the upward. That's the price target where we can see in the 4-hourly time frame. If we see any relief rally, 19,800 is on the line, but if we see further retracement to the downward, 18,200 is a price target that can be on the line. So if we also look at this pattern is right now invalid for me, because last time we talked about this one, we had our descending broadening wedge, and inside this descending broadening wedge we had our inverse head and shoulder pattern, right? But these two bullish patterns played out very, very worse. So therefore these two patterns I wouldn't take in our short list any longer. But what we can see over here is following. Guys, listen, we have this one trend line around 19,900, right? And this is also the one trend line that we see over here, 19,800, 19,900. So therefore, if we see any relief rally, this yellow parallel trend line is one price target to the upward. So therefore, guys, our price target to the upward, 19,900, again 19,900 to 19,800, and to the downward 18,200 is on the line. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my work and also the content, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, leave the thumbs up, and also write a comment down below this video. I would truly appreciate it. See you guys. Bye bye.